Okay, so just hold it nicely up. Okay, it says rotate the device. Now can you see me? Hi, can you view me? I guess I'm there. Okay, I can see some two people are there. Okay, I've posted a hello. Looks like there's a network. Looks like there's a network thing. Yeah, now I got your hi. Okay, so I'll start in a minute. Okay, yeah, yeah. I'll be back in a minute. Please come in. And Rupali, I'm hanging up now. I'll just get the project. Hello, Hari Om, Jai Jule to all of you. So the wait is over. I hope you all can view me, and I hope I'm audible and clear. While we had this network issue, we were trying to connect. I just got all my stuff that's in the kitchen measured, but I'll show you all how to measure it once again. Okay, so what we're going to do today is, and why are we doing this first? We're doing this is as a stress buster, or you can say, to break a lot of bad news coming, and we just listening only the negative news. So we're trying to divert our minds and keep ourselves busy, with and keep our families engaged actually. So that's the whole reason, to keep oneself busy and to keep families engaged. And this is like a very, very simple DIY. You can put your husbands, spouses, if they love to cook, if they are foodies, and of course their kids. It's a very, very easy recipe that I'm giving today, and it's everything that's in the home, in the kitchen, in anybody's kitchen. These are basic things that one has in the kitchen. And we'll be doing a lemon sponge, and I will show you a convert of it into a chocolate cake as well. So this is also a cake, and it's also a sponge, which means you can ice it and you can have it just as a tea time cake. So this is all for fun baking. Okay, simple, easy, and kids recipe. So of course you'll have to guide them. So should we start, or do I give in between? I'll just start, and then in between I'll give you and take you through some tips which are very, very important for basic baking. A lot of people know me, so I have not introduced myself, because I'm a hardcore from Pimpri. So hardcore Punekar as well. So a lot of you know me. So if anybody who doesn't know me or my global friends, I'll just like to give a short introduction. I'm a banker turned into a baker. I've had 12 years of core banking experience with topmost private banks, and then I moved into family planning, and I moved with my in-laws here in Patna. I was based in Pune earlier, and then I decided to venture my own. I decided to start something on my own instead of going back to the corporate world. So that's a bit of me. And yes, it's really hot today. पटना में बहुत गर्मी होती है. Trust me, summers is really hot. So I've started my baking career 5 years now, full-fledged. Earlier it was hobby baking, then it turned as a home baker. Now I'm a commercial baker. I teach also. I create employment for a lot of women here, and I'm a certified pastry chef. So I actually took all the required knowledge that was required for doing this. Earlier I was practicing at home and doing baking for friends, baking for relatives, and then I took it professionally. So that's all about me. And my name, of course, my name is Reena Kotwani, and after marriage my surname, I've added up my signature as Sinha. So now I think I'll show you the simple recipe. I'll not bore you speaking more about myself. So I'll run you through some things that are there in the kitchen. Can you just do the camera? I have someone who's helping me, So
you raise the bowl and show, no?
No, it won't work. Yeah. So this is curd. It's 1 cup curd. Then we have all-purpose flour, that is maida. Then we have sugar. Then we have cocoa powder. Then we have oil. And then we have white butter. You can take Amul butter, that is salted butter, or any butter that you have at home. You can also use simple makhan that you make at home if you want to use that. With that also, this recipe will give you an equal output. So this is just an instant recipe. And then to bake it, to level it, we have baking powder, and then we have khane ka soda, that is soda. So these are the only things required for this whole recipe. So I will post in my comments, and will share a note on the ingredients and the quantity of it. While I'm doing it, someone who wants to make a note or write about it can do it. I will of course explain, and I will also show you how to measure it exactly, so that you can bake it right. Bake it right is one of the courses that I do here. When I teach here, I teach you how to get any recipe that you put down from the internet to a perfect cake. So that is what is bake it right. So here I will take you and run you through the recipe now. We'll start. Give me a thumbs up, guys. I need to know, I need to keep asking, am I audible? Am I visible? Is it clear? We'll start. So I have taken 1 cup curd over here. This is homemade curd. You can take yogurt, you can convert it into, you can drain up the water and you can make it as a thick yogurt, and you can take yogurt. It will give you a nice dense cake. I prefer a light sponge. So I'll explain in between what a sponge and what a cake is. So we'll be using curd. So 1 cup of curd. This is also known as a 1 bowl recipe, which means you just have to keep adding things, mix it up and bake it. And in this 1 cup curd, I'm adding 3/4 cup of sugar. This will give you a nice 8 to 9 inch pan proper cake, which will serve to 10 to 12 people. So depending on the portions you take. So this is 3/4 cup of sugar. I've taken the kitchen sugar, that is granulated sugar that we all take, and this now I'll just whisk it with a hand whisk. What really I want here is the sugar and the curd to blend, to mix well. While this is getting mixed, you know, I will also leave it for some time. I'll leave it for some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, till it automatically blends. The natural blending of both the ingredients give you a very good chemical reaction, a very good sweetening effect. So I want to know how many of you are actually going to do this recipe this evening. This is a very easy, simple recipe. So how many of you are going to do this? Okay. None? So wow, I see Rupali. Thanks, Rupali. Yeah. Okay, you can hear I guess you can hear my pet, you know, he's also doing an online session outside in the balcony. So sorry for that. Stony. So while I keep stirring this, I'll show you, you know, what tins to use for this recipe, and also, you know, how to measure it while this curd and sugar is getting blended. Okay, a bit up. I like to introduce my better half, actually my best half. He's making all the efforts to hold the phone right for me so that we go live. So big thumbs up for you, Manish. So what tins to use? आप घर में कौन से टिन्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं? केड़ा टिन्स यूज़ करण खपन बेकिंग में, very important. So I'm using this 4-inch pan. Then I have a 6-inch pan, and then we also have a 8-inch pan. But when you take a 8-inch or a 9-inch pan, which is a bigger pan, it has a flat base. So this will go in just one tin. But if you want to do a sponge out of it, you want to do icing with this cake, with the same cake, you know, you want to ice it nicely with either buttercream or with whipped cream or with cream cheese icing. So then, you know, you can divide it into two. I normally do a 2-pan break, which means what I do is the same recipe, I break it into two and I bake it into 2 tins, and as per my requirement I use it. So we're going to take a 6-inch pan. You can take it even a 5-inch pan. Now what happens when you bake in the 6-inch pan or a 8-inch pan, the same recipe, right? What really happens is the timing, you know, to bake, that is different. Because a flat base will, a larger base, a bigger base will have, you know, will take lesser time to bake. So some 5-7 minutes less to bake than your smaller pan, because smaller pans the quantity will be more up, so you need to bake it, and I'll show you the right technique to bake it as well. I hope you all are able to understand what I'm saying. I'll try hard to come up in the our language as well, Sindhi. Okay, so first peri मा तव्हांखे ॾेखारियां थी how to oil this. We call it lining. So there are different methods to line a pan to get your cake right, because you pick up any recipe, it has to come right. Okay, it has to bake it very professionally, lagni chahiye. So we'll take a brush. The oil that I have already taken or the butter that I have already taken, उसी से मैं इसको line करूँगी. उन्नमाई पाने ना के grease कहना सी. We call it greasing, lining. Okay. So I'm just, if you look here, I'm just dipping this in I'm just dipping this in and I'm taking it out. Can you all see it? And then I'll just go and brush my tin. Okay, very light, very little we need. We don't need it more. It's not even visible. Okay, and then if you want, you can use a parchment or a butter paper, or you can just dust it with a little of maida. I'll show you even the dusting method. Okay, we'll do even that. So now when I place the parchment, I again take the same brush and I just press it down so that it sets well. What happens when you do this? Anyone who wants to answer what happens when you put lining to this? Manish, this needs to go up. Anyone who knows? Anyone who would like to try to answer? It actually doesn't burn the bottom of the cake. It doesn't make it too hard. It keeps it soft. And when you dust it, if you don't have a parchment paper and you dust it with your flour, it will give you a nice crumbly texture. The texture will be nice, and it's a very good tea time cake. Visible? Ladies, I need to hear y'all. Yes, now I see so many of the answers. Yes, yes. Yes, Simran, you're absolutely right. It comes off easily. Yes, Jyoti, absolutely right. Yes, even Reena is there. Diksha ji. Yes, it doesn't burp. Yes. So now, I'll quickly dust this. I'll quickly line this up. I'm taking both my tin sizes. I'll show you the dusting method as well, but right now I'm working on the lining. The dusting method, I'll just show you how we do it, because I need to ice this cake today. So here we are back after 2 minutes. Manish, can you just focus? Yeah. You see, can you see? The sugar is already blended in so well. Now there is another method, you know. There is another process that we're going to do with this. Another addition. To this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now this is how we measure. When you're at home, right now while I'm showing you, or you can say I'm teaching you, or you're learning, it may take time for the whole cake to do, but else it's super fast when you're doing it in your kitchen. You can do it from your kitchen counter. I just had a recording early this morning, and so we took another 10-15 minutes more to start this session. So this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now this is an eggless recipe. Guys, my specialization is eggless. So I don't do egg cakes. I work on eggless cakes. I convert all recipes into eggless recipes. And of course, I do sell my recipes as well. So here we're going to take baking powder, that is 1 teaspoon, and a bit more, that is 1/4 teaspoon. Now to get another chemical reaction, like you know how since it does not have any gelatin, since this does not have any egg in it, for it to become more firm, for it to rise more and all, so we'll have a nice reaction between the baking powder and the baking soda. So here since we took 1 teaspoon of baking powder, we'll take half teaspoon of baking soda. Both are levelers. When you join, if at all you feel like knowing more about it, connect with me for Bake It Right sessions with me. So you see here, I'm just sprinkling it over. What I really did earlier was curd, दही में शुगर, और फिर उसको हमने सॉफ्ट और स्मूथ किया. टेक्सचर्स, you should know the textures when you're working. एंड स्मूथ करने के बाद अब हम इसको फोम करेंगे. फोम करना, वी गेट दिस. ओके, I can't put my fan on because of the baking thing. So can you just, yeah. So you see, I'm gently just mixing it up. And it's going to rise on its own. Okay, you see how it's become now? From smooth, it's become foamy. You know how the butter turns up? Yeah, the texture has completely changed. Is it visible? Is it visible? Okay, I can't see any comments. Looks like a network issue. Can you just put it up? Yeah. So you see the texture changed. The first texture was smooth. Now the texture is foamy. Now we'll leave it for another 2-3 minutes. And now this is the time when you preheat, ladies. So now I'll take you to my kitchen, to my oven, and I'll show you how from a home oven you do a ready professional cake. So I'll request my better half, best half, Manish, to come along. Yeah. So this is the, okay, I'm not a very digital person. Yeah. So this is my simple sweet oven that has been with me for years now, and I've been working with it. Preheat is something that you all must be knowing by now. Pimpri, or you say, we Sindhis are really very forward, and we know everything that happens in all sectors. So here is the temperature, then you have the modes, and then you have the minutes. So now what we have to do is we have to just preheat this. I have removed my tray from inside, the grill from inside, and only the tray is there. And I'm going to set my temperature first to 200. For this recipe, I'll tell you why I'm setting it up to 200. Because I'm doing a sponge right now. And you see, most of you keep asking, मेरे oven में किस पे लगाऊं, कैसे bake करूं, कैंते विजां, knob किथे हुजे. So you see the up down knob. This up down knob is in all the ovens, that is the OTGs. And for those, and this is like for 10 minutes I'm going to preheat while we've already done 2 textures to our batter. Okay. Now this is something which is like a microwave. Okay. Most of you have a microwave, and there is a convection mode there. Right? Ladies, give a thumbs up. Make it interactive, please. So you have to just go on the convection mode and choose your timings according to what timings we have. Even the microwaves have a preheat option. So choose those options and do the same recipe, and you'll get the same output. And for those who don't have a bigger microwave and only have the micro mode, that is, start kayo si, 10 minute, 5 minute halayo si, even in that ही रेसिपी तव्हांखे आउटपुट ॾींदी ऐं तव्हांजे ॿारनि खे तव्हां सुठो घर में केक खाराए था सघो. Mine, Chanda, you asking which OTG I have. Mine is a OTG 60 RCSS and this is Morphy Richards. But you can do it in any whatever you have. You can work with any OTGs that is available right now because I'm not promoting brands. None of them are paying me. So सो वेरी सिंपल एंड क्लियर, जो घर में है उसमें काम करो. मैं वो सारी आपके क्वेरीज क्वेश्चंस आपके अवन आपके ओटीजी के हिसाब से भी आपको दूंगी. बहुत सारे लोग माइक्रोवेव को ही अवन बोलते हैं, तो हम लोग जो प्रोफेशनल बेकर्स हैं वो ओटीजी को या गैस अवन जो बड़े अवन हैं उन्हीं को अवन बोलते हैं, बाकी को माइक्रो बोलते हैं. तो जब बात करो तो लैंग्वेज बैरियर, टर्म्स का बैरियर नहीं आना चाहिए. आप अपनी क्वेरी मुझे लिख सकते हैं, मेरे मैसेंजर में आप पोस्ट रख सकते हैं, या मेरा फेसबुक का पेज है केक्स अफेयर, मैं लिंक यहाँ छोड़ दूँगी, उस पर आप अपनी क्वेरीज डाल सकते हो, मैं आंसर करूँगी. बट क्वेरीज इसी रेसिपी रिलेटेड रखोगे तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान चलेगा कि आप क्या पूछ रहे हो, क्योंकि सिंपल पहले बना लो फिर आगे का बनाना है ना. सो नाउ वील प्रोसीड विथ अवर रेसिपी. So now there are two options to do. One is for the lemon cake and the other is for the chocolate cake. I am not doing a chocolate cake right now. I am doing a lemon cake or a lemon sponge. But you can, change it and I'll show you how to change it. So I have taken 1.5 cup of maida. That's the reason why, because you see the quantity is large. So that's why I am breaking it up into two pan cake. You can do it in a one bigger pan as well for your entire family. So now you see how our texture has come up. Anish, can you? Yeah. So in this texture, we will add 1/4 cup of oil. When I mean cups, ladies, I mean simple cups or measuring cups. These are the cups that we actually use. So here, can you focus here? So you see what I've done is I've actually inserted the oil inside without losing its foam. This helps me keep my texture because I made an effort to get this texture, and this is something that's actually made for us. As a Sindhin lai product hai wa. We can scrape it and have full sabji and everything, and I love this spatula. So no, not all do that. So Manish. No, your hands are coming. Yeah. So what I've done is I've inserted the oil in it. It's 1/4 cup of oil. And then I don't see any of my college friends are here. If they are here, Aarti, Hira, please give a thumbs up. I like to see. And then we are adding 1/4 cup of butter. So the total oil or the fat or the butter or oil, whichever form of fat you take, is only 1/2 cup. So you just insert this. Insert it means side ma in me vijo, viche me na pour kayo, na to form sadio flat thi vendo. We don't want to flatten this. We'll flatten only the corona curve. Okay. Here we'll rise it up. So you see I used makhan. Please show here. And then I'm just giving side seeing. I'm just blending it. You see there's oil here. And then I'm just blending and mixing it up from the sides without losing its foamy texture. Able to see, ladies? नहीं दिख रहा है, you're showing me something. डीप दिखाऊं मैं एसेंस लेके आऊँ. Okay, now's the time when this texture is ready, and this is the base for eggless recipes. Most of the eggless recipes you can work it out with this. Any flavors, even a chocolate flavor. You can grate some chocolate later. I'll tell you when to grate and add. You can add some essence or some extract to it. Your preferences, whatever essence जेको भी घर में हुजेयो वो तव्हां इन में ऐड कयो. अगेन साइड में ऐड कयो. एसेंस ऐड करण खां पोइ तव्हांखे हिन में कडल ॾिसण ईंदा. You might feel it cuddles up. Right now it's just smooth and foamy, but don't worry, it will work out well. It happens at times. That's the texture that comes. And then there is some simple thing that goes. Since we are doing a lemon sponge, I wanted to show you all how to work with the lemon. You have to just throw in some extract. You can throw in here, or you can just add them here to your Am I visible? Yes, Khushi Tilokchandani, you can use oil instead of butter. How much time to preheat microwave? I will answer all those queries. I was on the essence portion, the extract portion. In case you don't want to add any vanilla essence, in case you don't want to add any extract or not make it a lemon sponge, or you have only the lemon, I'm not promoting any brands, guys. Any you have at home, any brands. So this is lemon extract. You can just add a bit of lemon extract. How much to add? 1 teaspoon, that's it. So now here we done with the lemon extract. There is something more that we're going to add to make it a lemon sponge, that is lemon. Just cut it half. We just needed half. The rest you can drink it up, because drink more lemon. नींबू पानी पियो कोरोना के वजह से. ऐसे भी नींबू पानी पियो, हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहता है, बट ठंडा नहीं होना चाहिए. और रोज दिन में 1-2 बार पियो, बहुत अच्छा रहता है. So here I'm going to just get half lemon or 1 spoon. Okay, I'll just get that ready. Now this, just giving a bit of whisk. Now our dry ingredients. After we are done with our wet ingredients, now it's time for our dry ingredients. So we have already added the extract here, the zest here, and zest is nothing but the skin. Okay, and I have already pre-washed my lemons, and I had kept them in the fridge because it's really hot here. So जब ये ठंडा रहता है ना, चिल्ड रहता है ऑरेंज या लेमन, और उसको आप जेस्ट करते हो तो उसकी जेस्ट बहुत अच्छी निकलती है. और वाइट पोर्शन नहीं डालना, उससे कड़वा हो जाता है. सो अगर आपको 1.5 मैदा नहीं लेना है और चॉकलेट केक करना है, तो अब आप ध्यान दो कि आप इसमें 1/4, यानी इसका 1/4 आप निकाल दोगे और इसमें 1/4 आप कोको पाउडर डालोगे, और उसके साथ आप थोड़ा सा कोई भी चॉकलेट, डेयरी मिल्क हो या कोई भी चॉकलेट आपके पास हो, स्नीकर्स हो, जस्ट ग्रेट इट अ बिट एंड ऐड इट. That's it. That's the only thing required. And when we say chocolate thoda sa dalo, we literally mean just this much, 2 portions, 3 portions, anything you can add to the same recipe. Mix it up. Okay. So now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of maida, and any dry ingredients that we add it in 3 portions or in 4 portions. So here again side से डालेंगे, and then we're going to give nice mix to it. Can you all see? Just give a thumbs up. And when this gets mixed up, to the other side I'll add the rest. See, 3 portions, okay? Manish, here you need to. थोड़ा और उठाओ. अच्छे तो दिसना. I hope you all are able to understand what I am doing, you know. So all this we need to complete in the next 10 minutes, because 10 minutes is our preheat time. So don't forget that we had kept it for preheat as well. So now you all know cut and fold method now, but we aren't doing the cut and fold method. We are just doing a complete fold method. Manish, here you need to. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we've had a back-to-back sessions, guys. Morning I was recording for a channel and I had to send them. So my husband is actually half asleep and I need to wake him up. So probably after this is done and baked and I give him nice ginger tea, then he'll wake up. By that time our live is over. But poor guy, he's helping all of us, huh? So I'm sure all your spouses and kids are helping y'all, because it's important. किसी के बच्चे हेल्प नहीं कर रहे हो तो काउंसलिंग सेशंस करवाना कि हेल्प करो. Mummies and sisters and mothers and wives, you know, they all should get some good hand help other than the hand wash that everybody is doing. So we actually gave a good mix to it. Okay. Now I'll be putting it, transferring it to into the tins. So as I said, half and half. For those who came in late, I'm doing a bit of lining. Okay, now we are ready and everything is set. Even the preheat is done. This is the time when you add this last mein nimbu, the half lemon juice that we got. I'm just pouring it up and I'll give it a good fold. So you see, जो batter thick था ना, जो batter thick था, वो थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट हो गया. ओके, so now I'm just going to pour it. How to pour it? Before I pour it, I will also give it a nice whisk to check, you know, if there is no just to check there are no lumps in it and it bakes good. So now you see how it has come, you know, and how much to fill. It's just half the tin. Okay, it's just half the tin. Since it's a smooth batter, I'm just giving it a shuffle, and then you can just, this we do, you know, because there should not be any, this we do it because there should not be any bubbles in it. I hope you all are able to see and hear. We are at the last part of our session. Can you come along? Okay, now we'll put this into the oven. Come. So see, this is a 200 preheat. This is a 200 preheat, and this will get a preheat. This will bake now for 200. I'll tell you what we actually do is, this recipe I'm going to bake it for 5 to 7 minutes on 200-degree preheat, and then I'm going to change my temperature to 170 or 180 according to the temperature that I have in my kitchen and where my oven is placed. Now this we'll be doing it because we want first the sponge or the cake to rise up, and then we want it to bake it inside nicely, and it should be a good crumbly texture which can go along with either just as a dry cake or with a icing. So that's the reason why we work on it. Now if you're taking an 8-inch or a 9-inch pan, what you really need to do is you preheat it on 200, you bake it for 10 minutes on 200 if it's in one pan. Now what I did is I divided and made it a 2-pan recipe. Okay, so that's the reason behind the temperatures. And the temperature of your oven will completely depend on where you are placing your oven in your kitchen. बंद में है, unit में है, open में है, सामने में window है. So you need to check when a recipe says 180-degree temperature, you need to actually check कि आपका 150 पे रिजल्ट दे रहा है जो 180 में चाहिए, या आपका 200 पे रिजल्ट दे रहा है. So that trial you will have to do once with your oven, and then you will get any basic recipe, whatever you know is a good recipe that you like to work on. So everybody has one of their basic recipes or a base recipe that you call, you know, that a baker works on. So now this, what we actually did was you can say a beginner's recipe, या ये वो रेसिपी है जो कोई भी कर सकता है, केर भी घर में ठाए तो सके, गरज है इंग्रेडिएंट्स में. Just pick it up quickly from the kitchen and prepare it. If you know your friends are coming for tea time, they call you at 4:30 माँ अच्छे थी चाय ठाए, so then by 5:15 your cake is ready, and you tell them अच्छा this मान fresh था तो थी मैं. So instead of buying, you know, those dry dead ones or the pre-mixes ones from outside, you can just do a fresh one in your oven. And if your hands or your working is really good on a simple cake or a simple recipe, you will be able to pick up on any of the recipes. Basically, it's the techniques that matter. And yes, recipe is 40% and 60% is the techniques. We give more weightage to the techniques actually. So any questions? Or I'll just like to go through and see, you know, how many are actually viewing. Okay, I have. What are the questions that have come up now? I'll see till we are baking, and then I'll show you, you know, what actually it means when we say 1 cup recipe. So our 7 minutes have already got over. My oven rang the bell, and I'm back here, and I'll be changing the temperature. I'll show you. I'm not opening it, but still I will like to show you a bit. See, it's become a bit firm, and now I'll reduce the temperature to 180 and I'll put it up for 20 minutes. So this is one recipe that's easy, simple, anybody can bake, and with home ingredients, and even kids can do it. Make your kids do it, they love to do it because the output is really nice. And you can add dates to this, you can add lemon to this, you can add orange to this, you can flavor it up with orange zest, it comes out nice. So, or cocoa powder, chocolate. You can do a cappuccino, you can do a mocha. So this one recipe gives you a very good eggless, n number of eggless recipes from one recipe. So this is my magic recipe actually. So how do you make it in microwave? So Chanda, for microwave, if you want to bake it, you bake it in convection mode. Switch your micro to convection mode and work on it, so that will, and just the temperatures would be the same. So can we use lemon, butter, cream to ice this cake? Yes, Simran, you can do a lemon butter icing on this and it will turn out good. At times a lemon cake with a lemon butter cream, it's too much of lemon for me personally, but yes, a lot of people do it. You can do it a lemon cream cheese, that will balance the flavor of lemon, that would go good. So then Nina auntie is asking, I want to know, if we take wheat flour, what do we add to make it spongy? Okay, Nina auntie, normally for when we use wheat flours, we use it for dry cakes, and they are not really spongy, but you will get a sticky cake from wheat flour, or you will get a tea time cake, a plum cake, a date cake, prunes cake, those cakes, drakh to ghar mein ta drakhaji cake, drakh chwara, you can add those and make a good wheat flour cake. And we call it wheat bread actually, dry fruit wheat bread, that is done with the wheat flour, with the atta that we do. Yeah, so it comes out good. It's just like you'll taste like ji halwo thaina ayu, so that's like very sticky. Liquid quantity घट करे छॾो ऐं उन में ई तव्हां चुआरा and dry fruit विझो ऐं उनखे bake कयो, so you'll get a nice wheat flour bread. So that's my easy way of working on breads. So I don't have a convection mode. So just half the ingredients, Chanda, if you don't have a convection mode, and do this as a instant micro cake. Microwave में जो हम लोग मग डालते हैं ना, माइक्रो सेफ बोल्स या मग्स होते हैं, फ्लैट बेस लेना किसी का जो आते हैं बोरोसिल के, उसमें आप इसको डालो और उसको बनाओ, आपका बहुत अच्छा स्पंज निकलेगा. इनफैक्ट वो 3 मिनट में और 1 मिनट में भी होता है. तो 1 मिनट बेकिंग मैं किड्स को कराती हूँ मेरे समर सेशंस में, उसमें होता है. आप मेरे से कनेक्ट करो, मेरे पेज में लिखो या पर्सनली लिखो, मैं नंबर बता देती हूँ मेरा, आप उस पर कनेक्ट करो. मेरे व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप है, मैं आपको जिसको इंटरेस्ट है आगे उसको ऐड करूँगी, तो आप उसमें लिख सकते हो. सो दैट्स माई नंबर. वांटेड अ लिटिल मोर स्पॉन्जी. So Nina auntie, for spongy you use almond flour और hazelnut flour. आजकल रेडीमेड मिलता है, नहीं तो आप almond flour बना सकते हो. So if you don't want to work with मैदा, but yeah. Chanda is asking, definitely, thank you so much. Then dates and banana comes out. Yes, dates and banana comes out really good. Work it up with complete wheat, with complete atta, but again it's a high gluten bread. किसी को arthritis का problem है या क्या, so consult your doctor if you want to eat that much, because arthritis में वो रोटियां भी कम खाने बोलते हैं. So just check that. Or if you know there's no issue, just go ahead with it. Dates, banana, and atta, absolutely fine for a good tea time cake. But yes, it won't be a cake which will go as a chocolate cake or something. आटा से वो नहीं आएगा इफेक्ट, मज़ा नहीं आएगा आपको, बन तो जाएगा हाँ, बट जो पाण खे खपे न, सुठो बि हुजणु खपे, बाज़ारी बि लॻणु खपे, ऐं घर में बि ठाहियूं था, इम्प्रेशन बि ॾियारिणो आहे, वो सब नहीं आएगा. तो मैं अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बता रही हूँ, 5 साल से मैं सेल कर रही हूँ केक्स को, इसीलिए. सो हाई डिम्पल, आई सी यू कमिंग नाउ, and I hope I've not missed any starting ingredients. I missed it. Muskan Mulchandani. So Muskan, connect with me. I'm any which ways in the comments. After we end the session, I would be just writing the quantity and I would be giving up the ingredients so that you guys can prepare it. I would love to see the results, you know, those who are baking. So when I add you in my group on WhatsApp, there is Bake with Reena वाला group है मेरा, और बेक इट राइट भी है, जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए है वो वैसे. तो आपको आप मुझसे शेयर कर सकते हो, आप यहाँ भी शेयर कर सकते हो कि आपने क्या बनाया. एक्चुअली जब हम लोग लाइव करते हैं और बहुत सारे लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब लोग उस रेसिपी को बनाते हैं और पोस्ट करते हैं और बोलते हैं मेरा ऐसा रिज़ल्ट आया. सो और अगर उसमें करेक्शन चाहिए, कुछ टिप्स चाहिए, या आपने कुछ टिप्स एक्सपीरियंस की हो, क्योंकि कुकिंग और बेकिंग ऐसी चीज़ है जो बाय एक्सपीरियंस ही अच्छी होती है, तो आप वो शेयर कर सकते हैं सबके साथ. सो आई वुड लव टू सी द रिजल्ट्स. आई एम श्योर द एडमिन्स आर लिसनिंग. आई वुड लाइक टू सी द रिजल्ट्स. Rupali, Nikita, please ask people to put in their results here. So Dhanvanti, okay, yeah, please go ahead, prepare. Please go ahead, prepare. I would love to see what you're making. And lemon of butter. Then guys, when you are adding butter ना, आप उसी में लेमन एसेंस डाल के उसको लेमन बटर करके डाल सकते हो, आपको ईजी पड़ेगा अगर आपको वो ट्रिक आता है तो. सो instead of butter, can we use oil? Yes, I have answered this. Yes, you can use a complete oil. When you're using complete oil, यानी जो हमने 1/4 oil और 1/4 butter लिया था, उसकी जगह आप हाफ कप ऑयल ले लेते हो, तो आपको बहुत लाइट मिलेगा, स्पंजी. और जब आप उसको हाफ करते हो तो थोड़ा सा डेंस, थोड़ा सा स्पंजी रहेगा. और जब आप उसको कंप्लीट बटर कर देते हो तो अच्छा खासा डेंस और थिक केक बनेगा. सो आई एम श्योर these tips, you know, my experience would help you understand your output. So that's a good tip by adding. Okay. Hi Anju. Yes, very much. School friends, I love to see my school friends here. So I miss my school as well, and I miss my college also. So, and I'm proud to be a Meerite. I want you know, people to do a thumbs up for me who are from my college. I'm really proud of our college. Basically we like to say, you know, Dada's college. There are so many values that have come up from there. So life changes after you are you know, in Meera's. So how many of you actually from St. Meera College here? Yes, Nikita, I would be posting the recipe here. I would be giving even the ingredients here. Hi Shelly, good to see you here. Hi Varsha. So I hope I have answered everybody's queries. So there are no queries pending that have come up. I'm just scrolling up and seeing. And in another 5 minutes we'll be done baking. Hi Geeta. Yeah. I now recall Rita. Yes, Rita is from St. Mira's. Hi Anita. Yes, this can be made in not Chanda, not really in cooker, but I'll tell you. The old style idlis we used to do, the idli maker. You have to just steam it. In fact, this recipe works very wonderfully with the that dekchi we call it. Jeme biryani thaina you. Yeah, for those who don't have oven OTG, please don't pressurize your husband. Work with whatever tools you have at home, because when I started, I took years to think whether I should invest in an OTG or not, more so because I was not a kitchen person at that time. So I used to do it hobby, and I used to do it from the idli maker. So I started this recipe. I'm working last actually 8-9 years now. So this is a very basic recipe, and it works good if you're doing it from the idli maker. But just one thing, let me just Ritu, just let me answer Chanda on her idli maker thing. Cooker में it won't give you results. I don't know. Cooker is a very thick pan. इसमें पतला pan भी चलेगा. When you take a dekchi or a handi and you do this cake, the only thing is you need to be really careful when you are handling it. It will be really soft and really spongy. आप जब उसमें लास्ट में स्क्यूअर डाल के चेक करते हो आपका बेक हुआ कि नहीं, तो वो बेक तो हो गया होता है, बट इट्स वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट टेंडर, लाइक द न्यूबॉर्न बेबी. सो उसको बहुत संभाल के निकालना पड़ता है. लीव इट इन द टिन फॉर एटलीस्ट 15-20 मिनट्स. लेट इट कूल कम्प्लीटली. उसके बाद भी वो बहुत नाजुक होगा एंड एक्चुअली वो बहुत सॉफ्ट बनेगा, मेल्ट इन द माउथ बनेगा. And you can control your oil when you're doing it in the dekchi thing. And dekchis तो सबके घर में होते हैं यार, छोटे मोटे dekchis तो होते ही हैं. So Shelly is saying, teach me also whenever you come to Pune, please. I would love if my sister teaches me. Of course, baby, I'll bake for you. Then Ritu Ramnani is asking me if which oil you used. I used Saffola oil. We eat Saffola oil. मेरे यहाँ पे 1 लीटर ऑयल 1.5 महीना चलता है. तो मैं बाकी का उसको बेकिंग में यूज़ करती हूँ. बट आप जो ऑयल खाते रहोगे आप वो यूज़ करो. बट ऑडरलेस ऑयल यूज़ करो. ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑयल यूज़ करोगे, सरसों तेल नहीं चलता है इफ़ एनीबडी इज़ ईटिंग. कोकोनट ऑयल में आप अगर ये रेसिपी बनाओगे तो कोकोनट फ्लेवर बनाना, तभी अच्छी बनेगी. कोकोनट ऑयल इज़ वेरी हैवी टू ब्लेंड विद द अदर लिक्विड वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स. तो इतना आप ध्यान रखना. इट टेक्स अ बिट मोर लिटिल टाइम टू डू इट. रेस्ट आई थिंक बाकी लोग जो खाते होंगे घर में ऑयल वो यूज़ करो. कनोला ऑयल, a lot of people say bake with canola oil, but I feel it's more good जो किचन में है उसको यूज़ करो. जो आप डाइजेस्ट कर सकते हो उसको यूज़ करो. So that's more important. Then how many minutes do we bake in dekchi? Timings are the same. You need to have proper gloves. Preheat का मेथड dekchi में 10 मिनट है, ढक के रख दो. अंदर थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट डाल देना, मोटा वाला सॉल्ट. या फिर मोटा वाला सॉल्ट नहीं भी है तो अंदर नीचे स्टैंड जाता है. बाद में आप अपना यूटेंसिल उसमें डालो, बेकिंग पैन जो है एल्यूमिनियम का वो डालो, एंड फिर उसको हीट करो. या स्टीम मेथड से नहीं बनाना है, बेक मेथड से बनाना है. सो चंदा, यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी सेपरेटली ऑन माई नंबर. आई हैव पुट अप माई नंबर देयर, and then I can explain you how you can do it. So here's my number again, I'm sharing it. Yeah, I don't really attend calls after 10 p.m. because that's my very very personal time. And I have a Facebook time at night, so I don't attend calls. So any call before 10, and morning hours I don't take calls till 11. I touch my phone only after 11, after I'm done my exercising and my daily routine and my kitchen work. So I hope that helps you, how you can connect with me more. So nice of you to answer all queries so well. Thank you, Nina auntie. I was very scared actually, connecting after ages. I'm speaking to a lot of people from my hometown, and I'm feeling nice about it. So I hope this session was good. I guess we are almost done with our recipe. I'll just show you all how to handle it and how it looks. So so you see, this is the oven, and I'm trying to take a sneak peek inside. थोड़ा बीच में से इट नीड्स टाइम. अगर आप जब भी बेक करते हो, आप में से रेगुलर बेकर कितने हैं? रेगुलर बेकर जो हैं वो प्लीज़ थम्स अप करें. मैं कुछ पूछना चाहूँगी आप लोगों से, मैं कुछ शेयर करना चाहूँगी. जो रेगुलर बेकर हैं, जो लोग रेगुलरली बेक करते हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू नो, प्लीज़ थम्स अप. अगर आप लोग रेगुलरली बेक करते हैं तो आपको पता चलता होगा कि जो टिन बेक टिन है, उसमें जब केक पक जाता है तो वो साइड्स छोड़ देता है. इट लीव्स इट द साइड्स. सो दैट्स व्हेन एक्चुअली इट्स completely done up. So now when I check the cake in there, so थोड़ा सा we need 2-3 more minutes and it's completely done. Then I'll quickly show you how to handle it, and then we are ready. Okay, now just to show you all a little brief about measuring cups. घर में नहीं है measuring cups, the thumb rule for this recipe or any recipe that you're following is either you work with these measuring cups, they come with sizes, or you work with any, like example, if this is my cup size, I'm taking, this is the cup, then I would take all quantities according to this. Okay, not like मैदा इससे नापा, फिर चीनी इससे नापा, nothing like that. मैदा इससे है तो चीनी भी इससे है, everything. But the best is if you have these, नहीं है तो फिर go by this. Go by the small coffee cups or tea cups that you have in your kitchen, the regular ones. You don't need to really invest in some things. Of course, Rupali, I would. Of course, Rupali, I would do that. I used to earlier when I used to travel to Pune. When I started my journey of baking, I used to come there and take classes. I had regular students there, and then somehow my visits were not very frequent to Pune, and yes, my family did complain. So I was talking about this cup. सभिनी जे घर में कप हूंदा आहिनि. हिन कप जी साइज़ तव्हां खणो ऐं जेकी बि इंग्रेडिएंट जी मेजरमेंट आहे इनखे ई फॉलो कयो. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दीज, so if you're following one measurement, then you will bake it right always. So that's one tip that I can help you with, and it's actually a one bowl recipe. You see, आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए मैंने इतने सारे cups निकाले हैं, utensils निकाले हैं. Otherwise you see that you actually need just one bowl and a spatula. Now if you don't have a spatula at home, work with a whisk. I showed you all a whisk. If you don't have a whisk at home, work with a spoon. We all have spoons at home. So you don't need to really run outside and get ingredients and get tools and all. So this is that recipe. Like I said, your kids can do this recipe. Just teach them right and they'll bake it right. So I guess by now we are already done with our cake. Yes, now, yes, it's done, and now you see inside how it looks. Can you all take a sneak peek? Started leaving its sides. Give me a minute more, I'm just getting my skewer. So just get your glove on, and you can get your tin out. You can see this. Okay, it's done. Yup, it's done. It's clean. You see, it's clean. See, it's clean. You see, the sides are done. So we'll just pick this up and put it on the grill. Just pick this up again, put it on the grill, close this, switch it off. So you see how this is? You see the sides? You see the sides? Now I'm going to give it a rest. When you give it a rest, you just leave it for some 5-10 minutes. It cools down, and then we actually bake. Now, did you all notice I couldn't find my skewer quickly, so I just used my little brush that I use for my baking. So just a little time, and I'll show you how to remove this, and this is ready. This is ready to eat. And how you can nicely you can, as per your wish, you can add lemon butter cream, you can add lemon cheese cream, you can just add plain cheese cream, or you can just add vanilla whipped cream, whatever cream you want to, or you can just add chocolate cream on it, or chocolate whip or chocolate ganache, and just serve it to your kids and make it a fun session for them. So if you're baking, make your kids ice it, do the decoration, and if they are and if they want to bake it, you do the icing or teach them the icing. So if at all it's possible, we'll do one icing session, a simple basic icing session, where you can keep your kids involved and your kids can get engaged in these sessions. So just hold on for a minute and I'll show you, see when to remove the cake. That's more important. One more tip. See, it's really hot. Ooh, chatko to lage, right? Ooh, really, it's. So and you see how flat is this? You see how flat is this? This doesn't have that dome, jo beech mein banta hai. The whole reason for not getting that is we made it into a 2-pan recipe. We divided it. Yes, you can. Yes, Jyoti. Yes, you can do cupcakes. Like I said, it's really simple and easy recipe. You can do cupcakes out of it. I can give you a trick to do muffin. Day before, on 22nd, I did for Bihar. I did a session while I showed them, muffins out of the same recipe. So this recipe can be tweaked and twisted into as many ways and variations as you can. अपना हाथ बिठा लो, थोड़ा टेस्ट कर लो, और ख़राब भी बनता है ना तो इसकी टेस्ट बहुत अच्छी आती है, क्योंकि आपने इंग्रेडिएंट्स तो देखें क्या है, वो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो घर में यूज़ होते हैं वही है. नो मैजिक एट ऑल. सो जस्ट अ मिनट. आप लोग के जीजा जी सोने चले गए. सो आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर माई palette knife. So I'll take this tin out. I'll take the tray out. So both the men in my house are right now sleeping, you know. They're taking the afternoon nap. I normally have 2 assistants who do the helping part for me, and I'm grateful to my spouse for sparing so much of his valuable time today for all of us. So here we go. You see this, ये already देखो, अगर आपको कहीं पे लगे कि ये अटक गया है तो see, ये ऑलरेडी साइड्स छोड़ चुका है एंड दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी डेलिकेट. अभी गर्म है. मैं 1 मिनट के लिए इसको फ़ैन में रखूँगी सो दैट यू नो इट्स क्विक एंड ईजी. नॉर्मली हम लोग फ़ैन नहीं ओपन ये करते हैं. यू सी इट इज़ ऑलरेडी सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द पैन. When to remove is what I was trying to tell you all. When to remove is when you are able to bear the heat of the pan. That's the right time to actually get your cake out. Else you will break the cake and you will feel कि कच्चा बना था, जाम soft हो, मुझे तो बिये ही न थो, मुझे तो ठे ही न थो. Nothing like that, ladies. Like I said, you know, 60 to 70% is techniques, and then 40%, 30% is the recipe. So that's the reason why this session is a longer session, because I'm trying to cover more and more techniques with this basic recipe. So now what we actually do is, अभी ये इतना भी bearable नहीं है, but मैं आप लोग को just निकाल के दिखा देती हूँ. Okay, just turn it out. Able to see? Please guys, give me some encouragement. Now I'm going to just show you how to peel it off. Just gently remove this. So this is what your sponge is, and this is how you test it. You see how soft this is? This is soft like a idli, and it's purely eggless. It's absolutely eggless. और इसको आप यहाँ आइस कर सकते हो जब ये कम्प्लीटली ठंडा हो जाए, और फिर उसके ऊपर ये सेकेंड पोर्शन आप डाल सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ हाउ योर टॉप लुक्स लाइक, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ योर बैक पोर्शन लुक्स लाइक. सो आई होप वी डन विद दिस सेशन. सो आई होप यू ऑल एन्जॉयड द सेशन. लेट मी नो प्लीज़. सो I hope it was good. You guys enjoyed it. Please bake it right. Please share your comments and do connect for any queries. And tea time पे आप इसको खा सकते हो. Okay. One more time, just a look. See the texture here. See the texture here. And you see the texture on top, and you see the texture from here. Okay guys, any further queries? Yes, it is eggless, and it's good to be a vegetarian. You can sometimes, if your doctor says eat some eggs, eat some more hard protein, then you can go in, but else choose vegetarian. So that's the way of life actually. So anything else that I can help you all with, do connect with me. Thank you admins for bringing me in here and connecting me with my family back there in Pune and Pimpri. So okay then, see you. I will post the recipe. I am presently in Patna, Bihar. So yes, learning eggless is a bliss. I do a lot of cookies and granola bars and all. We do it eggless. We also work on sugar-free granola bars and all. So a lot we work on, yeah, and it's all eggless. So a little about me. So here you can see some of my work. I wish my mentor is safe. She's back in Turkey, and chalo then guys, see y'all. Bye bye, have a nice day, stay safe, stay home and keep others safe too. Okay, take care, bye.